Bringing design from the office to the construction site is proven not to be an easy task. In the digital era, analog interpretation and execution creates mistakes in the construction site. Sometimes, expensive mistakes. CRA agent tools allow you to bring real information from the digital to the physical world. No more blueprints on site, CRA will show you what goes where. Now, you can have direct updates from the construction site to the digital design. CRA agent allows workers to send information back to the office for changes and feedback. With the quick installation system and machine learning based self-calibration, you will be running your CRA tools in no time.